Okay, in this video, we're going to do a quick introduction to the AcuRite Iris, the weather sensor, the display that is going to be for inside your home. What I want to do is we'll look at this real quick, just a quick intro video. I'll have it in the video and also have it in the text below. There'll be a link for this manual as well, which you can get from the AcuRite website, but I'll provide the link that you can download this from. What you get with the download is a nice little manual that talks about it, and then I'm going to show you real quick what is involved with this manual, and then we'll show you dramatically in display and demonstration what is involved. As you can see, the readings available on the display unit are the wind peak wind speed, mile per hour that the wind's blowing, and the average speed. So you'll have a current once it's running, current speed here in the middle. You'll have what the last hour the peak wind has been and the average for the hour for wind speed. You'll have wind direction right here. Then you'll have exterior humidity percentage, and you'll have the temperature outside currently as well. Now everything's laid out here for you, but you're also going to have here this is your internal temperature and your internal humidity, and that's going to be taken from the measurements in the display unit itself that is inside on your desk, on your bookshelf, and your kitchen counter, kitchen window, whatever, wherever you decide to put it. Now you're going to have your forecaster, which is one of the neatest things about this unit from AcuRite, is that this will give you a forecast, a 12-hour forecast, 12 hours out, what's coming for weather. It'll give you through icons, and this lists the barometric pressure and whether it's up or down as well for you. There'll be the current time, current date, and then down here you have the alarms that are set. You have set them up for is like 99. If you want it to be told when it's over 99 degrees outside, set up a sensor. These are all sensors for outside as well, and everything matches up here, and there'll be directions right here to tell you all about it. Now what I want to do, the last thing in this video, is just show you by looking at the display unit how you hook it up, and just a couple things to be aware of there at the bottom here. So we're going to switch to that next. Okay, so this is what the display unit looks like. I've got it plugged in. Now this isn't in operation because it's not communicating with the sensor array, because we haven't gone out to my son's house to set it up yet. But I want to show you a little bit about this display unit. Okay, so we've got our display unit. What I want to do is show you the back of it and how this works. Now this is all black, so hopefully this is lit up enough. Now I was looking for a way to plug in the power adapter, and I looked all the way around it, underneath it, the sides. I couldn't find anywhere to plug it in, but I hadn't looked at my manual, the manual that came with it. This right here. I'll provide a link for you down below too, in case you didn't get it, so you can download it. But this manual has everything in it you need. Now in the back, when you open this up, this comes out. There's place for 6 AA batteries, so I'd recommend 6 AA batteries, because those are used for the backup only. But what I found was up in here on the left side is where you plug in the power adapter. Then you plug in your cord that goes from here to the display unit to your computer to keep track of everything for history for you. Goes in there. So the other thing is, you'll want to know there's a switch right here. This switch, you got to make sure matches up the switch on your sensor array that's outside. The other thing is very important here at the top. There's what they call MAC address. The numbers below the barcode, you're going to want to record them, because you're going to need them for communication between your phone app, if you're going to use a phone app on your phone, and communication between your sensor array and this. you'll need that a couple times to enter that number. So make sure you have that. We'll try to hook in the power adapter here with my fatter, older fingers, but you can see it just slips right in here, and just insert it in there, and you got your power adapter set up to go. That's the rest of the information on the display unit that I wanted to share with you, and the intro to the display unit for the AcuRite Iris 5-in-1.